NatraBio Children's Cough and Mucus Nighttime, homeopathic relief for cough, congestion, ages 4+ months, 4 ounces, 47 serve. Product details. When your little ones can't sleep, nobody sleeps. If a hacking cough and chest or nasal congestion are keeping them up at night, NatraBio Cough and Mucus Nighttime homeopathic medicine can help with gentle, temporary symptom relief. Safe for babies 4 months and older, and great for toddlers and children of all ages, this advanced homeopathic remedy goes to work fast so everyone can get some rest. Used at bedtime, our alcohol and sugar-free liquid formula helps temporarily relieve a hacking cough, thick mucus, chest congestion and a stuffy nose so kids can breathe easier, feel better and settle down for a good night's rest. Our Children's Cough and Mucus Nighttime is based on traditional homeopathic practice and theory. Treating children with homeopathy relies on nature's own medicines to gently relieve symptoms and promote healing. A safe treatment for most minor ailments, homeopathic medicines use precise levels of key ingredients designed to work safely without side effects. Bedtime help is here. NatraBio Children's Cough and Mucus Nighttime gives them gentle, temporary symptom relief. Calm the cough. Fast-acting bedtime homeopathic for kids may help temporarily quiet a hacking cough. Breathe easier may help relieve thick mucus, chest or nasal congestion and other temporary symptoms. Nighttime relief helps soothe occasional sleeplessness so they can get the rest they need. Kids love it, tasty natural berry flavor, great for babies 4+ months, and for children of all ages. Parent approved, contains no alcohol, sugar, honey, gluten, dairy, artificial colors or flavors. Directions. Instructions. Children and infants over 4 months of age, beginning 1 hour before bedtime, place 1/2 teaspoon (2.5 milliliters) under the tongue every 20 minutes until symptoms improve, then every 4 hours as needed. Consult a doctor for use in children under 4 months of age. Dosage. As needed.